Hey everybody, Happy New Year. This is Mike Prey with Keller Williams Realty with your end of the year, beginning of 2026 update. Real estate seems to be following the trends or that were projected moving into 2026. There's a little buyer beware statistic in there that I'll tell you about in a minute. But just to give you an idea, sales and closings for month over month, November to December, were up about 2%. That's not a huge number, but it is a positive number. And for year over year, they were up 15.5%. So things are a lot different than they were this time last year. The median sales price, remember all of these, most everything is projected to stay flat or move up except the interest rates. And so the median sales price took a little bit of a jump. We'd been seeing about 3 or 4 months of steady decline through November, and the median sales price jumped up to from $360,000 in November to $375,000 in December. So that's about a 4.2% increase. Year over year, basically, the median sales price is flat. Available inventory, this is one to watch. This is a little bit of a caution to the buyers. The available inventory month over month was down 10.5% and flat for the year. But if inventory goes down quite a bit, and as we're going to see, the interest rates have gone down also, that puts more buyers out into the market competing for fewer homes than they might have been in the past. And so when that happens, it tends to push prices up. So buyers, you're going to want to pay attention and watch that. The new listings were also down, which is further restricting the inventory. They were down month over month, 25.7%. However, the good news is year over year, they were up by 30%. So the days on market, it's taking 11 days less in December. It took 11 days less in December to sell those homes than it did in November. 56 days on the market. Year over year, it was down about 3 days, so it was a little quicker than this time last year, but only by about 3 days. Now, the interest rate I mentioned a minute ago, it ended the month, ended the year actually, at a 2-year low. We haven't seen 6.13% for about 2 years. And so this is good news for buyers and good news for sellers. It helps make things more affordable for everybody. Just to give you some perspective, at the beginning of the year, the interest rate was over 7%. And so it's come down significantly since then. Just a little bit of a caveat. We may not see the Fed lower their rate. They may wait and see what happens, how things unfold with the economy for a couple of months here. But when they do that, and if things do go according to plan as far as the economy is concerned, then we may see the interest rates drop just a little bit, all on their own. But we shouldn't watch for any dramatic decreases in the interest rates or necessarily expect those. And they're right in the projected target area of between 5.9 and 6.5. So what does that mean to you? Well, if you're waiting for the prices to drop, if you're a buyer and you're waiting for the prices to drop, they may have already dropped. And so we may be seeing them ease back up. We shouldn't see any major increases, or at least that's not projected. However, the trend is more flat and up than it is down. And so if you've been waiting for lower prices, your wait is over, and you might want to jump out there and see what you can do in the marketplace, especially since the interest rates are the best that they've been for a while. One thing that all of this slow movement in all of these things, in prices, in inventory, in homes sold, in the interest rate, it creates some stability in the marketplace, which is the best thing that could really happen, because then people can plan, they can project, and they can work out their plans and projections without having to figure in the volatility that we've seen over the last couple of years. If you're selling, prices are getting slowly better. But also, if you're holding back, we're seeing more buyers out in the market. So if you do need to sell, you're not going to see prices just go screaming high. And so if you're waiting for that, you may miss out on some initial demand here. So, but if it looks like we're going to have a pretty stable real estate market for the year, and the trends coming out of 2025 are seeming to match the projections that were happening around October or so. We'll keep an eye on it though, and we'll alert you if you want to know what you should do or what is a good idea, or discuss your real estate needs and strategies for the year. Please contact me. I'd love to talk to you about it. You can get me at 469-446-0234. You can go to my website at www.mikepray.com. If you're watching me on social media, you can certainly message me or send me a message. MikePray2@gmail.com is a good email address. You can text me, get a hold of me, and we'll work out a time to sit down and work out what is the best strategy for you if you have some real estate goals this year, or let you know whether it's a good time to do whatever it is you're planning to do. Anyway, that's the update, and looking forward to a great year of stability in the real estate market, and looking forward to helping you reach your real estate goals. So once again, Happy New Year, and looking forward to talking to you next month. Bye-bye.